Hi, this is Alex with Eijkelkamp North America, and today we're going to talk about some of our quick samplers, specifically the grass plot sampler. So here I have two different sizes of grass plot sampler, the large and then the small, and then we have some in the middle. We're going to go over how these work, and then we'll even show you how you use these bad boys. So first, this is the handle with your rod. Here's the bucket where your sample will be pushed into, and then here is the actual cutting tool where you can see it's kind of sharp. This is that sample that's going to be pushed into the ground and what's going to happen. So you use these a lot if you're looking at, your grass effectively. Is it fertilized? What does the root look like? Those type of applications, a lot of golf courses and things, and they're great for walking around and just grabbing a lot of different samples very quickly. Next, we'll show you how you actually use these. So using these grassroot samplers is very simple. You actually take it, hold it about as vertical as you can. You actually take your foot and you just step down. You can see, if you look back down, you have a very undisturbed sample, and it's held into that cutting zone. So here, these lengths can vary depending on what you want, how big you want. When you want to extrude your sample or pull it out, you actually just move over to the next one and then step again. And you can see it shoves it out, and you have your undisturbed sample. You can either leave it in that bucket, or you can pour it into a secondary container, depending on whether you're aggregating your samples or you want to look at each of these individually. You really have a lot of choice here. But you can see that was very quick. That was 2 samples in 1 second if you need. But you can just walk all over your golf course, all over your yard, wherever you need to go, and grab a bunch of different samples. A lot of different sizes, whether you want something very small, a little bit bigger, or a lot bigger. These little grassroot samplers are great little tools.